Are you enjoying the monsoons? We definitely are, having spent the past few weeks driving the Tata Hexa all across the country, from the Western Ghats in the south to the Himalayas in the north. In the first part of this new Tame The Terrain series, we are going to put the Hexa's all-wheel drive and its rough road mode to the test by hitting mud and slush trails. We're also going to teach you to harness the unique capability of the Hexa to drive through terrain that you would not believe a luxurious 7-seater can go through. But before you get to the slush trail, you're going to have to drive on wet roads, and here are some tips to keep you safe. Make sure you have a good set of wiper blades. Change them before the onset of the monsoon if you need to. The Hexa gets automatic wipers, meaning you can focus on the road and are not constantly adjusting the speed of the wipers. Make sure your tires have sufficient tread. The grooves in the tires help channel water from under the car, so the rubber can be in constant contact with the road. The Hexa is the only car in its segment with 19-inch wheels, shod in MRF rubber that contributes to its off-road ability. Use the headlights. Not only do they help you see better, but a source of light is more visible to oncoming traffic than a surface reflecting light. Slow down. Grip levels are low, and you cannot carry the same speed through corners in the wet as you can in the dry. Also, braking distances are longer, so you need to keep more distance between the car in front of you and yourself. Right, so let's do a quick recap. Check your wiper blades and tire tread, keep your headlights on while driving, and drive slowly while maintaining a safe distance to the car ahead. Reduce tire pressure. Reducing tire pressure increases the contact patch of the tire and hence improves the amount of traction your tires have. Bring a spotter along. Having one person outside the car guiding you on the correct line is the ideal way to go about things. Walk the trail. It is always advisable to head out off-roading with someone who knows the area and has experience at off-roading. Walking the trail gets you familiar with it, allows you to scout for tricky areas, and allows you to be prepared for when you hit them. It is very important to know how deep the slush is and what the condition of the ground beneath all the muck is. Based on that, you can decide how much power you need to get through. Don't forget to carry off-roading equipment. Maxtrax's terrain ladders provide grip when there is none, and are a must to extricate your car when you are stuck. Take a snatch strap or a toe strap, some D-shackles, and gloves. Attach the strap to the vehicle with a D-shackle to extricate it using the recovery vehicle. You should also carry a shovel, gumboots, an air compressor so you can refill your tires before you head out onto tarmac, a puncture repair kit, and a raincoat. Let us go over all of that again. Here's what you need to do to be prepared to go off-road. Reduce tire pressure. Take a spotter along. Walk the entire trail and carry your recovery equipment. Now let's take you through the techniques of driving on slush. Grip the wheel correctly. Thumbs outside the wheel so any sudden movement by the wheel won't break your fingers. Switch to rough road mode to enable all-wheel drive and reduce ESP intervention. Start off in first and shift to second gear once on the move. This should give you enough torque and won't bog the vehicle down either. Modulate the throttle according to the nature of the slush ahead. Shuffle the steering from side to side while moving, so tires grip and do not get stuck. Momentum is your biggest ally. Keep momentum up and your chances of getting stuck are less. When you feel the tires spinning, the most instinctive thing to do is to feed more power. However, the most effective way to deal with wheel spin is to reduce throttle input and allow the tires to grip and pull you forward. These are the basics, and no matter what the nature of the slush, follow these and you should be good. The difficulty of the track may increase in case it's speckled with rocks or inclines. In the case of inclines, momentum is even more important. You need to choose a good line up the incline and keep momentum going up all the way. If you get stuck halfway, reverse down and try again. If this still doesn't work, you can use the Maxtrax to enhance your grip on the incline. For downhill slopes, the Hexa gets hill descent control, which makes things really easy. Push the button on the dash, set the desired speed and get off the clutch, and the Hexa will bring itself down the incline in a controlled manner. Let us revise what you've just learned. Keep your thumbs outside the wheel. Keep the Hexa in rough road mode. Use first and second gear. Swing the steering from left to right. Keep momentum up. This is key. Don't spin the wheels too much and use hill descent control on declines. So there you have it. Get these basics in order and you will be able to take the Hexa properly off-road in Slush. If you have any queries about anything to do with driving in Slush, customization of the Hexa, places to off-road or any other questions, do write to us in the comment section on Facebook or Twitter and we will get back to you.